Sweetie, please don't bounce the ball inside. Respect the space, okay?
Okay, Mom. Don't worry. Sorry, Mom. I have to go out.
Where are you going, sweetie?
I'm going to our neighbor's house to look for Kenny. Bye.
This is my birthday present.
Wow, this is so cool.
Yes, it is. But just be careful. Oh no, it's broken. That's not funny. You didn't ask. And you broke my robot.
Why is he so mad? I was just playing.
Being funny doesn't mean forgetting to be kind. Respect means asking, listening, and caring about how others feel even when we're joking.
Yes, that's right. Respect is also not gluing my cap to the ceiling.
Oh my God, sweetie.
What are you doing here?
I'm sorry. I thought I was being funny, but I forgot to ask and listen.
It's work. Amazing.
Yes! Can I play it?
Sure. Let's play together.